Hi, good morning everyone. Not looking my best at the moment, but that's because I've actually been really unwell for the last couple of weeks and I'm still not very well at the moment. I am on some antibiotics and feeling a lot better than I did a few days ago before I started them. But even though it's going to be raining this weekend, it's raining and cold no matter where I am in Victoria at the moment for this weekend. And I just felt like I needed to get away, be in nature and just relax in the caravan. It'll be about 2 hours and it's a place I've been to before called Toorongo Falls up in Noojee in Gippsland, and I just really like it there. There is quite a lot of pictures, but it also gets really popular and busy, so I'm really hoping that because the weather's crap nobody's going camping. It's now 12 o'clock and I've been here about an hour. As you can see, the van is all set up. And for the first time, which was one of the reasons for the trip, I've come and put Scout's little pen up.